Hi, this is Jeff at Brandartica, and today I'm going to show you how to create a custom field in Gravity Forms for an EIN number or Business Tax ID number. Okay, so we have a field here. It's called EIN, and what we want to do is we want to have it so that it's formatted so that it will take an EIN number, which is like a business tax ID number. In Gravity Forms, you'll see that they have a number field here that you could use, but that doesn't give us the formatting that we want. So we're going to use a single line text field like this one. And then what we're going to do is under the General tab, there's this feature here called Input Mask. And this is going to allow us to give the right formatting that we want for this field. And you can see there's some standard masks here: US phone, date, tax ID, social security number. We're going to do a custom one because we just want to make sure that the format's correct. And what you do is you put the format in based on 9. So we're going to add in this thing here, and it's going to know kind of what the requirements are in terms of having the dash after the first two numbers. So that's the first part. The second part is we want to have the field just show sort of like the starting point for the user, so that they know that that's the format that's being expected to be entered. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just save this. And then if we do a preview, you can see now, here's our EIN number field. It has the placeholder. And then when we go to type in the number, you can see that it's already formatted so that it guides the user using the correct format. And that's it.